Okay, I was with Ruhi ma'am right now, and I attended her sessions, and honestly, they were eye-opening. तो चलो होते ही हैं, but they were fun, and they were full of surprises. So it was really nice, and मैंने कभी सोचा नहीं था कि इस एंगल से भी चीज़ें चलती हैं. So that was really good, and the best part is कि उन्होंने ये भी बोला कि नहीं, solution हर चीज़ का होता है. You just need to see it. So obviously वो expert हैं, तो she is the one who can guide. तो and उन्होंने बहुत अच्छे से guide किया. So I really enjoyed that session, and काफ़ी चीज़ें सही बोली हैं उन्होंने. That was like वहीं पे, because I don't believe in these things, but I do believe. So yeah, thank you so much.
Okay, so we are at Ruhi ma'am's house today, and this is a get together, and she kept an early bird gift also. So I was the first one to arrive, so I got this crystal tree which is very beautiful, and I'm going to keep this at my desk. And also she took a very lovely session on bhagyanks, मूलांक्स and basically numerology. So थोड़ा सा insight अभी हमको मिला है इस बारे में, and now I'm very much keen to know कि मेरे personal predictions क्या है, मेरे career के, मेरे personal life के. तो ये जानने में अब मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है. So I think I'm soon going to make a visit to Ruhi ma'am's house again for that. And yes, it was a lovely get together, good food, and we got to know each other very closely, so had a lot of fun. Looking for another one. Thank you.
Rasta. I came to this meetup on Ruhi Rai house party, and it was very fruitful. We got to know about so many much things about the numbers, your enemy numbers, Bhagyan, Moolank, and how can we relate it to our names and your career policies and personality. I suppose everyone should try once in their lifetime these numerology things and should connect to Ruhi for all such information. Also, they can, change their names or brand name, and they can improve their business if they are having any sort of problem in that. Thank you so much for from my side to Bhopal Women Hub to invite me here for the meetup, and it was an amazing session. Thank you.
सो टुडेज सेशन वाज रियली अमेजिंग, हमेशा की तरह, क्योंकि कुछ बहुत सारे नॉलेज तो हमें ऑलरेडी पता है थ्रू रूही मैम कि कैसे भाग्यांक और मूलांक निकालते हैं, लेकिन आज और ज़्यादा डिटेल में समझा तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों पे सरप्राइज भी हुई और शौक भी लगा. अच्छा, इसकी वजह से ये हो रहा है, इसकी वजह से ये हो रहा है. तो आई थिंक हमारी लाइफ में जो भी प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, और सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का इन चीज़ों के थ्रू सॉल्यूशंस भी हैं. तो डेफिनेटली ऐसे सेशंस होते रहने चाहिए, और भी लोगों को अटेंड करना चाहिए, क्योंकि उससे आपके बहुत सारे जो थॉट्स होते हैं वो क्लियर होते हैं, एंड देन यू विल गेट टू रियलाइज़ कि अगर मेरी लाइफ में ये प्रॉब्लम है तो उसका सोल्यूशन इस तरीके से हो सकता है, बिकॉज एवरीथिंग हैज़ अ सोल्यूशन, एंड दैट टू विद अ बैलेंस.